Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. So glad you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. This is Zena. We would love you to hang out with us. Hit that subscribe. We do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, and outfit of the day, and lots more. So please do stick around. For today, I have a brand new subscription box to share with you. So excited about this one. This is called Just Deco. And as you can imagine, it is a home decor subscription box. Comes to you seasonally. I am so excited to dig into this. So let's do it. This box is $59.99 a season. And it has a value of up to $100. And I am fortunate enough to have a sneak peek box because this is not out yet. These boxes will start to ship the second week of September, so you still have plenty of time to get your hands on one. So here's what I see as soon as I open it up. This is a small female-owned business, so you would be supporting a small business if you decide to subscribe to this box. I want to point that out. All right, so first thing I see here is a little card that's going to tell me about the items inside this box. It also is going to give me a sense of the color patterns inside here, which I love. I don't want to give away all the stuff that's in here yet, but it will give you a sense of the shades of items that are inside the box. So if you want to go shopping for decor for anything to match anything that goes with it, you could easily just take this with you. Also, it's telling you about their shop. So they do have a shop and it is not just for members. So you don't have to subscribe to use their shop. And I do have a discount code for you for both the box and the shop. So we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Let's do the stuff first. So first up, check these out. So these are called their Golden Florals. Has a little tag on here that says thank you. I have one bad fingernail here. Can you see that? I feel like it's standing out from the rest. Gotta get that fixed today. Love that. I love these. What are these called? All right, so it tells me all about it on the card. It says create a lush seasonal bouquet with these beautiful billy buttons that add a pop of golden fall color to your decor. I love these. They have them tied together, but you could take them apart. Love this twisty one. How cute are those? Perfect for fall decor, right? And I like that you could put them in a base by themselves, but you can use them as decor in a wreath or with other pieces that you may already have out. These would just add a nice pop of color. All right, I love that. Now the value of these, $3.99. Okay, next, oh, check this out. Ah, it's a pumpkin. Gotta have a pumpkin, right? Zena's gonna leave us now because I'm making way too much noise. Zena does not like the stuff going from the boxes, the noise that I make, none of that. She's not into any of that. Just Deco also has a community that you can go on that will give you all kinds of tips, tricks, styling ideas that you can subscribe to as well, which I love that. All right, so check this out. This is a velvet pumpkin. And look at the detail in the stem. I love this. So nice and plush, which means that you could also like squeeze it and put it inside of something else if you wanted to have an outer coating. I was thinking of something I might want to put it inside, but that way you could squeeze it into and then have it be okay, Wyatt likes the billy buttons, so I'm gonna have to watch that. Anyway, you could use it inside or on top of or around or as an accent piece. So I really like that. Now he might also like the pumpkin, so what are you doing, buddy? So we're gonna have to watch him because he might think it's a toy. So this says that it's the velvet pumpkin, lush, sophisticated, and stylish. This velvet pumpkin is the accent for your home this season, soft to the touch and just as beautiful. It will sure make a statement whether paired with other fall accents or on its own. All right, wait till you see these next items. Little baskets. How pretty is that color? And there's two, not one, but two. I love that. And I like that they are sturdy, not flimsy. They do have some flexibility to them, but they will hold their shape. I have a little sticker here with the Just Deco emblem. I really like the size of these. You could fit. Obviously, you can just, for size reference, you can see that the small one is about the size, a little bit bigger than the pumpkin. Wyatt, what are you doing, buddy? And then this is even bigger than the belly buttons, you can see. The belly buttons are a little bit bigger, sorry. Oh. So Wyatt is interested in the pumpkin. He's checking it out. All right, there's more stuff. Let's see what it says about the baskets, though. It says woven baskets, hand woven and dyed with a simple yet eye-catching detail. This set of 2 woven baskets is a great addition to your fall decor collection. Adorn with dried florals or use as storage for all sorts of home accents. The retail value of the pumpkin was $12.99 and the baskets $39.99 for both. Why? It's too funny. He's making me laugh today, or always. He always makes me laugh. What do you think, buddy? Okay, next. What is this? So you always get at least 5 items. I think the typical number is 5 items inside your box. All right, so this one looks like a little cutting board, doesn't it? It says gather. Look how cute that is. The other side is blank. Smells like real wood here. And it has a little stand. So it's tied shut. We're gonna look at this little stand here. I think it requires, okay, we're just gonna put it together. And look how cute that is. Isn't that cute? So it says the mini faux cutting board, hand carved and handmade. This adorable cutting board with its wooden stand is made from maple wood and carved with the word gather. Not only is it inviting, but a beautiful note for the holiday season. It's valued at $17.99. The pricing seems on point for all of these pieces. And keep in mind, this is a small business just starting out, so they're not going to have the type of volume to be able to buy exorbitant numbers at lower prices. So I think this is pretty good. I like that. What do you think of that, Wyatt? Do you like that? Very pretty. I have one more item. Here we go. I think this looks like a runner. Oh, check this out. And it looks like a good color that would go with just about any home. I love a good runner. Yeah, this is called the Stripe Runner. The value is $49.99. Forgot the length of this. So it's longer than my arm span, that's for sure. This is a really nice gray in there. And it's thicker. I like that it's not flimsy, it's actually thicker. And then it has the fringe on the 2 ends. So it says about this, this bund of soft woven threads is just a perfect touch of cozy your home needs this fall season. I feel like you could leave this out all year round though. This is really nice. I like this. Yeah, this is a really nice weight. I wonder if it says how you would, yeah, machine wash, cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry, no heat or line dry, iron as needed, it says. You can tumble dry. I love that because you never know when you're going to get a spill. Love. This is awesome. And that is all the pieces. What did you think? I think this is a really good box for the value. I think the pieces are perfect for a nice refresh for fall, but I don't think you'd have to rush to put any of these away. The only thing you might want to put away really could be your pumpkin, but you could leave that out through the holidays, in my opinion, like through Thanksgiving, right? And even into Christmas if you wanted. So these might be the only 2. Not everything else you could probably potentially leave out all year around. The belly button maybe. Gather, you can leave that out all year round. these baskets all year round as well, but they also still give a nice fall touch for a refresh for the season. All right, I said that I did have a discount code for you. I do. If you use my code, which is littleboxo, you will get 15% off your first box if you sign up for a subscription. Also, if you want to use, just shop their shop. So go shopping in their online shop. You can, and if you use the code littleboxoshop, you'll get 10% off your order. So you don't have to get a subscription to be able to shop their shop. So that's a really nice plus. And I'll put all this information down below, so don't worry. So I think that for a brand new startup, they put together a really great collection. I really love this for going into fall. I think the colors are classic and should really go with many homes. They'll go with mine, I think, very well as great accent pieces. But I'd love to hear what you think. What was your favorite item? Do you have a favorite item? And how would you decorate with these pieces? Please do share with me down below. Can you picture a place in your home or what you would do with it, or how would you use these little baskets? I can picture some like fall foliage, or even just using it to like in my kitchen. So I need to think about these a little bit, but I do think that each of these I'll be able to quite easily decorate my home with. So I need to think about it. I will try to put some pictures as soon as I decorate with some of these. Either if I don't get it in time for this video, then I'll post them on Instagram. All right, this was so fun. I loved it. Let's see if I forgot anything. I told you about the community. And I told you about the shop. I gave you my codes. All right. I will put, again, like I said, put all the information for you down below. $59.99 if you'd like to give this subscription a try. There are some limited items in the shop. Right now they have over 70 items in their shop with some limited items, including a Mother's Day box, some mini bundles, and a mystery box if you want to check any of those out. And thanks so much for spending time with me today. I love bringing you something new. And home decor is so much fun when a new season is starting, right? All right, please hit that like if you enjoyed this video. I'd love you to hang out and hit that subscribe. Please do share what you thought. And until next time, bye everybody.